Hey there, and welcome to our tutorial on how to work with the help desk as a representative. After this video, you'll be able to handle employee queries effectively. To start, access the help desk feature from the left sidebar. Here you have the Help Desk tab, where you will view and handle employee queries. And if you have the relevant admin permissions, you also have the Manage Desks tab, where you can add and manage all existing desks. Let's understand how you can reply and handle queries from this tab. On the left side, you have three different views. The unassigned view shows all queries that are waiting for a representative to take and handle. The Assigned to Me view shows queries that have been assigned to you. The All tab shows all existing conversations, both active assigned and unassigned. When you are ready to begin, set yourself as available to help so you can be notified of any incoming queries. Go to the Unassigned view to see the queries waiting to be handled. Each is tagged with its respective help desk, so if you are a representative on more than one desk, you can easily understand the nature of the query. For example, Mary sent this message to the HR help desk. When you access the query and reply and the conversation, it will be automatically assigned to you and displayed in the Assigned tab. You can also click here to manually assign the query to yourself or see which reps are available and assign it to them. The user will receive your reply and be able to reply, just like in any regular chat conversation. Remember that you can always click on the arrow next to any message to react to it, forward it, and even delete it. Once the query is resolved, close the conversation. If you need to access it again for any reason, go to the All tab and switch the view from the Open Conversations to the Closed Conversations. If needed, you can pin an important conversation to the top, mark it as unread as a reminder to handle it later, and even write a new message to an employee. Once you are done for the day, set yourself as unavailable. All open conversations that were assigned to you will be automatically unassigned and ready to be picked up by another rep. Now, let's see this from the mobile. Once you enter your mobile app, head to the chat bubble. Switch to the Help Desk view at the top and toggle Available to Help at the bottom. To reply to queries, click All in the top left to select which ones you want to view. Once you've made your choice, head to the query you want to handle, type your message, and send it. To resolve mobile queries, tap Close at the top when finished, or click the person icon to transfer the conversation to another rep. Thanks for watching!